Okay. Welcome friends. Today's topic is indicated compression work with clearance. Okay. With clearance means considering toppermost certain small volume in between TDC and the top plane of the cylinder. Okay. In previous case there is no volume at that situation. TDC is directly merged with toppermost plane. But here there is space in between TDC and toppermost point of the cylinder, compressor cylinder. Okay. This is the main difference in between with clearance and without clearance. Okay. That previous formula, the formula is n by n minus 1 P1 V1 power P2 by P1 minus power n minus 1 by n minus 1. The formula. And here there that V1 term is called total volume of the cylinder. Total volume of the cylinder. It means from 0 to total volume of the cylinder. Here there is no effect on clearance. Okay, we consider total volume, all volume of the cylinder, but it is not possible. Okay, so volume is alone, the piston moves from TDC to TDC. Therefore, in that situation, we have considered one value is the clearance value. First, we see the PV diagram, see the difference. In previous case, the total area is considered for our calculation. Total area is without clearance. Okay. In previous case, we are solving some problems and deriving some derivation for this side. It is two rectangles and one curve. But here, while we considering the clearance, we have two curves. One is compression and one is expansion. Okay, this is the clearance value. Okay, the piston is doesn't touch the toppermost point of the cylinder. Okay, therefore from 1 to 2 the piston is uh, uh, doing compression stroke, and 2 to 3 is delivering stroke, and again 3 to 4 it reaches the starting point of the cycle. Then 4 to 1 is for suction stroke. Okay, therefore here two curved lines, one is compression and one is expansion. Therefore, the in between that 1, 2, 3, 4 is the exact work input of the compressor. But there we are considering total area of the compressor. We are subtracting only bottom area, but we include that total area from left to right. But here the input area is calculated only in the 1, 2, 3, 4 loop area, because we consider certain clearance volume. Therefore, first from 1 to 2 compression takes place, and 2 to 3 delivery takes place, and from 3 to 4 again expansion takes place, which means the compressor moves from certain volume, which is clearance volume, to V4 up to V4. The air is sucked, and also piston slightly moves down from that clearance place to certain volume. Then again it moves from 4 to 1, its suction is takes place. Okay, this is the expansion stroke. In expansion stroke, there is no energy output because the compression is a major role, because therefore the energy output is lower, therefore they are not considered. Therefore, and also which is the inside of the inside or in between the y-axis and the compression stroke. Therefore, there is no meaning of the expansion line. Okay, which means there is no energy output of the from the compressor. Okay, there is no energy output, which means there is no electricity producers from the compressor. You can only supply the electricity. Okay, and this is the difference from between clearance volume and without clearance volume. With clearance volume, we have subtract one area. The total area is E21D. E21D is a total area, and E34D is subtractable area because at that place there is no energy is supplied. Okay, therefore the in between area is inside, and the loop is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 is the exact input work to the compressor. Okay, therefore with the clearance and without clearance, with the clearance we consider all area. Therefore, comparing these two concepts, with the clearance having lower energy input when compared to without clearance. Because without clearance we have considered all area, but here we have considered only that loop area is for our work output calculation. Therefore, the area is very lesser in compared to previous calculation. Therefore, the work output value is slightly reduced. Okay. So now we start the small derivation. The indicator return is given by the area 12341 on PV diagram. Okay, indicator work equal to area 12341. Okay, then it is obtained by area subtraction of area 12ED minus area 3ED4. Okay, this area 12ED and area 3ED4 subtraction. Okay, then area 12ED is equal to W compression equal to NC divided by NC. W compression. Okay, area 12ED is W compression. Okay, therefore NC suffix NC stands for compression. NC minus 1 divided by into P1 V1 power P2 by P1 power n minus 1 by n minus 1 is common formula, compression work formula. Then we subtract with the expansion work. Then 3ED4. W expansion equal to NE divided by NG minus 1 P4 V4, because both are all same curves. Therefore, both are all same curves means, but they are compression, they are expansion. Okay, so which is only difference. Therefore, the formulas are same. Both the values are subtracted, and we will get exact workout. Okay, and P1 V1, P4 V4, P3 by P4 power n minus 1 by NE minus 1 by NE minus 1. Here P2 equal to P3 and P1 equal to P4, because P2 and P3 lies in the same line. P2 and P3 lies in the same line, and P1 and P4 lies in the same line. Therefore, the P1 equal to P4 and P2 equal to P3. Therefore, remember the value. Then work expansion equal to P3 by P4 power NE minus n by n minus 1 is equal to rearranged by P2 by P1 power n by NE minus 1 by NE minus 1. Then P4 equal to P1 and P2 equal to P3 equal to P2. Then NE, then network compression. Network compression is the subtraction of work compression minus work expansion. Substitute the values, and NC and NE both are same because it is the common polytropic index. Therefore, substitute NC and NE as same. Then we get NC and NE and P2 by P1 both are in the inside the bracket also same value in compression and the expansion values, and NE and NC is matches with N, and only one difference is V. In previous V1 is there, and now next term V4 is there. Therefore, n by n minus 1 P1 into V1 minus V1 and P2 by P1 power n minus 1 by n, because V1 minus V1 and V4 is a difference between top and bottom. Okay, because NC and NE is matches, and P2 by P1 and P2 by P1 is matches. Therefore, the difference is in top V1 is there and bottom and V4 is there. Therefore, we include we subtract V1 and V4 is enough for subtracting the whole term, because the remaining terms are same in subtractable value and next value. Okay. Okay. Then final formula is P1 into V1 minus V4 power P2 by P1 n minus 1 by n minus 1. Okay, see the difference. And with the clearance, the V4 is equal to 0. So without clearance, that V4 equal to 0. with clearance, consider that V4 value. Okay, there is only a difference. Okay. This is the consideration of clearance volume of reciprocating air compressor. Then from that we solve one type of problem. Okay. Then for that concept you can solve the one tutorial problem. Let me start the problem. An ideal single stage single acting reciprocating air compressor has a displacement volume of 14 liter and a clearance volume of 0.7 liters. It receives the air at a pressure of 1 bar and delivers it at a pressure of 7 bar. The compressor is polytropic with an index of 1.3 and re-expansion is isentropic with index of 1.4. Calculate the net indicated work of a cycle. Okay, a single stage, single acting reciprocating compressor, pressure equal to 1 bar, inlet pressure is equal to 1 bar, exit pressure is equal to 7 bar, and so displacement volume is equal to 14 liters, and clearance volume equal to 0.7 liters, and the compression index equal to 1.3, and the expansion index equal to 1.4. Here in that problem, we are defining two indexes. Okay, but in derivation we can assume both the indexes are same. Indexes are same. Okay, then only we get the formula, final formula. But here they are telling two different indexes. This is another typical formula. In remaining problems solve, they are telling same polytropic index, but they are telling we can only solve with the help of clearance volume. But here we solve in a different manner and very simple manner. This is the PV and TS diagram. The first one is the total volume of the cylinder, V1 equal to Vs plus Vc. Vs equal to 14 liter and Vc equal to 0.7 liters is given. Okay, then 14.7 liters is converted into meter cube, which is equal to 0.0147 meter cube. 1 liter is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube. Use the conversion factor and we calculate the total volume of the cylinder. Okay, then the volume V4 after expansion is compressed air in clearance space equal to V4. V4 we need the V4 value to calculate the work output or work input to the compressor. Therefore, to consider the process 3 to 4, which is the type of expansion process, which will P for 1.4 equal constant. Therefore, using that isentropic relation is equal to V4 by V3. V4 by V3 equal to P2 by P1 or P2 by P1 or P3 by P4, because P2 is equal to P3 and P4 equal to P1. Therefore, they are directly writing. But the actual formula is V4 by V3 equal to P3 by P4. But in concept, P2 equal to P3 and P1 equal to P4. Therefore, they are directly substituting P3 by P2 by P1 instead of P3 by P4. Okay, then P2 is given, P1 is given, and V3 is also known, 0.7 clearance volume. Then V4 equal to 2.81 liters or 0.00281 meters. Okay, now we see the diagram. So now we remember the formula, work input equal to NENC. Okay, consider NC by NC minus 1 P1 V1, P2 power P1 by minus NC minus 1 by NC minus 1, and minus NE by 1 minus NE P1 V1, P1 V4, P2 by the formula. See the formula. This formula is derived in previous derivation. Here they are mistaking some non-mistake. This is NE by 1, NE minus 1 and whole bracket. Okay, whole bracket. And substitute the values. NC is given, P1 is known, P1 in terms of kilopascal, P1 in terms of kilopascal, and V1 meter cube, and P2 by P1 is known. Substitute the values and substitute the values and subtract the values from the NC term to NA term. Okay, then we get the final value is equal to 2.81 kilojoule per second. Okay, the simple problem. In that problem, they are giving inlet and exit conditions and clearance and stroke volumes and two polytropic indexes. In some more problem, they are giving one polytropic index, but they are clearly telling clearance volume and stroke volume. Through this volumes, if you solve the V4 value and with the help of final formula, you can solve the problem. Okay, this is the common procedure, but in this problem is slightly different because they are telling two different polytropic indexes. Okay, this is uh, within this problem. I can conclude this topic, and tomorrow or next lecture we can solve another double stage. These are the single stage with and without clearance, and tomorrow topic is double stage compressor. And after this double stage compressor, I stop the 50 unit and remain of the self study concepts. Okay.